Hi, I am Max. Today I will explain you something about diabetes. Maybe you have heard that this is something very old people have, but that is not true. Let us join our friend Sam. Have you ever seen someone check their blood before eating? Maybe your friend Sam does this every day. But why? Let's take a trip inside Sam's body to find out what's going on. When we eat food, like bread, fruit, or cake, our tummy turns it into sugar. Sugar is like fuel for our bodies. It gives us energy to run, play, and grow strong. After that, the sugar travels through our blood, floating around like tiny energy cubes, ready to help our cells. Now, meet the pancreas. It's a special organ inside us that works like a sugar factory. The pancreas makes insulin, little helpers that unlock the doors of our cells so sugar can go inside. When insulin does its job, sugar moves into the cells, and our bodies get just the right amount of energy. Yay! But in type 1 diabetes, something different happens. The pancreas stops making insulin. Without insulin, the sugar can't get into the cells. It just builds up in the blood. That's why kids like Sam use a pen or a pump to give their bodies insulin. When the insulin goes in, it's like turning the factory back on. The doors open again. With help from insulin, Sam's body can use sugar for energy and keep feeling great every day. In type 2 diabetes, the pancreas still makes insulin, but the body has trouble using it the right way. It's like the keys are a bit rusty and the doors don't open easily. With healthy food, exercise, and sometimes medicine, the body can get stronger at using insulin again. When that happens, sugar moves into the cells more easily, and the body feels much better. Before Sam eats, he checks his blood sugar with a tiny meter. It's like looking at a control room that shows how much sugar is in his blood right now. This helps Sam know if he needs more insulin, a snack, or if everything is just right. With good care and insulin, Sam can do almost everything other kids do, including enjoying birthday cake. When we understand what diabetes is, we can be kind and helpful friends. So next time you see someone checking their blood sugar, you'll know exactly why. Learning is power, and kindness makes a big difference.